Hello. In our Alma 304 class today, we're going to see some aspects of how we can copy a record from the community zone and also from the metadata editor, how we can copy from an external resource. I'm going to start by searching our repository. And I'm imagining a scenario where I have some books in hand that I have received perhaps as a gift, and I want to search my repository to see if I have these titles already in my catalog. So I will enter my search query. I'm searching my institution, and we can see that no records were found. In a very simple manner, I can just click on the Community Zone tab in order to see if I can find a record in the Community Zone. And we can see that we have found one result. I have the option of clicking on Order, and this will actually move me through to the purchase order line workflow in my local institution. Another option is I can click on the hypertext title in order to see full details about the record. And if this is the record that matches the book that I have in hand, I have two options. I can copy the record to my local institution, save it, add local fields, do whatever I want to do with it, add items, etc. Or I can choose just to create a link between the record in the community zone to my local institution and only create holdings and items information. I'm going to move now to the metadata editor. And I'm going to open a new bibliographic record for editing. And in the 245 field, I'm just going to type in the title of the book that I wish to catalog. I'm going to ask Alma to allow me to search external resources. I'll just go to full screen. Now, we can see here that it is possible to define profiles for searching external resources. As part of the profile definition, I can group different databases together. So for example, I can say search Library of Congress. If you don't find a record there, move on and search WorldCat. All this is configurable by the library. So we're going to search for a Mexica in my community zone and WorldCat. I'll just click on the search button. And we can see that there were no results in the community catalog, but in WorldCat there were some results. I can view them, go on to the next page, etc. When I look at my results, I see that I have the option to view, import, overlay, or merge. The merge, once again, is based on configuration in the library about what fields should be merged, what fields should be retained. I'm just going to choose the overlay option. And here we have a full record based on the import that I brought in from an external resource. I have the option of editing it, adding fields, deleting fields. So I can make these different edit options, and when I'm finished with the editing, I have the option of saving the record. This concludes our overview of searching and copying for bibliographic records from external resources.